Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make an AVI like this. This is my first Photoshop tutorial, so I hope it's decent. Now let's get right into the video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true. But the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya, dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke. But I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope that you can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math like
Drop the top off of the roof and now it's missing. Drop a couple tracks and now we drippin'. Always talking shit like who you dissin'. Switching up a cut, the whole team winning. Press one button and I swear they got my talk on. Give me any beat, yeah, this that shit I pop on. Any beat I'm poppin', like why you always talking? Got Benji in my pocket, I'm taking off the rocket. Yeah, I'm taking off. This shit paying off. Talking down on us and yeah, I guess you breaking off. Yeah, breaking off. Oh, yeah. Yeah, cause I pulled up. Yeah. They say where your talk go. I'm addicted to this music, I can't really stop though. Yeah, you want my shit, you gon' have to wait till it drop though. Drop the top off of the roof and now it's missing. Drop a couple tracks and now we drippin'. Always talking shit like who you dissin'. Switching up a cut, the whole team winning. Drop the top off of the roof so I can see the stars. Now you wanna hear my line, we whippin' foreign cars. I'm gon' take this shit to the grave, yeah, I'm going far. Yeah, one day I'ma be a superstar.
I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next video.